In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to remove a green screen, a blue screen from any original footage. So in this tutorial, this is the footage that we'll be using for this tutorial. So right now, just open your, DaVinci Resolve and come to the edit panel. So now I would delete all of this. So now this is going to be, I'll import the first clip, which is going to be the background that we want to use. And then now I'll bring out the clip that we want to use. I downloaded this from a website. I'm going to drop a link in the description so you can be able to access it. So then I would drag the clip only, and then I'll put it on top the layer of my, video. So right now we can't see the video that is beneath. So all you just need to do is to just come to Fusion, and then under your Fusion come to your effect panel and then search for Delta key. So and then you are going to drag this effect and drop it in between your media one in and then media one out. So when you do this immediately, just come to your background color. It gives you options to be able to do as you like. So under your background color, tap on this and then come to your picker tool for your color and then click on the color that you want to key out, which is green. So once you do this, you would see that color has been keyed out. So you can also fine tune if you want to do some cleanup for your threshold, but for this I'm very fine already. So I'll come back to my edit and then I'll preview it. So that is just how to remove green screen background from any footage that you want to. If you like content like this, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and ensure you hit the notification bell for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Also, do not forget that if you are new to DaVinci Resolve, ensure you watch these 3 videos showing right now on your screen, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.